for you. I love you very much, and this is for you.
Go ahead, buddy. You got it. Look at that, Kelly. Come on. Pedal, Steven. Pedal. You got to pedal. There you go. There you go. Awesome. Good job. Good job, Steven. Turn around. It's okay. That's okay. Come on back. You just got to work on them turns, but you're doing great. You're doing great. Look at you. Come on past me, boy. Look at this proud boy. Woo! Woo-hoo! Use your brakes, not your feet. You have brakes on that bike. All right, turn around and come back one more time. Pedal. Gotta pedal. Pedal, pedal. You got it, you got it. Pedal, pedal. You're good. Go ahead. I'll start over. Ready? Go.
This is for you, Kelly.
Okay. You got it. You can do this. Okay, what do you need, a cup? Okay, come on. You did what? All right, come on. Let's figure this out. All right, come on, boy. You got to figure this out. Let's go. Pedal.
More from now.